Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a BMW F20. Now this F20 has an N13 engine in it. It's a 1.6. It should be quite easy. Let's go. First we'll remove the filter cap. Oops, fell off, lol. Fit the housings right there. Now let's see whether I can remove it. I've loosened it up, so it should be easy by hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Oh dear, look at that. What is that? It's dark. Well, so I tried separating the filter and this happened. Oh dear, it's bad. It's inside. Nothing too okay. Nope. It's totally brutal. How do I remove this? Bruh.
Bruh.
Oh, bruh.
Bruh.
What? Have in here. Look at that. Nothing. It's quite brittle. Oh, it's not good. Then we're gonna jack the car. This. I'm just gonna leave the jack there for safety in case things go sideways. And give a car a good shake. That's not going anywhere. Now we can go to the under trace. Flathead. Twist this cover off. In this case mine is mine's worn out. I have no idea how did. Oh my god. You know, say bruh. This time I'll say bruh. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, wow. Oh, it's kind of leaky, isn't it? Oh, this is where. Not enough lighting in here, I'm sorry. It's just. You know, open the drain plug. It's a 17 mil on my car, I think. I heard most of these cars is 17 hex. Okay, it's out and pull. There we go. We have got oil, baby. Ew. What is that? Okay. Right, 20 meters. Torque. Done. this, my finger. Remove the O-rings. I think they will give. Oh, this is not gonna work. Got some brake cleaner. Brake cleaner. And grab your filters, new filters. There it is. It's just a paper. It comes with an O-ring. I don't know what is this for. I think this is for the plug. Oh dear. Anyways, this is that's weird. Then we put it in and press, I think. Now we're going to lower the car. Now we're going to put our filter back in, and it goes. I need to tighten it down. Next we're going to pour in the oil. I do not have a funnel. I made one. There we go. She takes in 4 liters. It looks like water. That's it. Alright guys, that is how you change an engine oil on the BMW F20 with an N13 engine. Hope this video was helpful and can be as a guide. So if you like this video, please like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.